Hey everyone, Rick here. Another video from the deep freeze. Ethel and I are going to go out and see what the outside has to offer right now. It's minus 21 Celsius, which is minus 6 Fahrenheit, with a wind chill of minus 34, which is minus 29 Fahrenheit, I believe. I'm not sure what the wind speed is out there, but typically we're getting whiteouts. Visibility is pretty poor. It's gusting pretty good, drifting the snow a bit. We didn't get a lot for accumulation. We actually got more than what I thought we were gonna get. So yeah, we're running the fireplace here in the living room. Would you stop whining? We're running the heat pump also. It kicks in intermittently. And we also have a heater in the kitchen that kicks in once in a while. It's like a baseboard heater that has a fan. It's underneath the cupboard. Anyway, let's go out and see what it looks like. All right, let's go, Ethel. Look at the pig, man. She had a rough night. The Yukon is, I've never seen it so white. She's a deep freeze. This looks like a good place to take a poop. Oh my God, this is just nasty. The sun's trying to peek through a little bit there, but it's not really warming anything up. You like it out here? Huh? You're crazy. Screw that. So the pig's on a charger. I'm not even gonna mess with it right now. I'll just let that keep rolling. But I am gonna try and start this Yukon. Oh, almost started. I don't know if you could hear that or not, but it was rolling over. It didn't take though, so I'll have to put a booster pack on her. Okay. Oh. Grab this thing. I don't know if it's got enough charge in it to do its job, but we'll find out. Oh man. Woo. Okay, it says it's full. We'll soon find out what the deal is. Oh, it started installed. There she goes, she's running. She didn't want to start. Oh. I can't say I blame her. It's just nasty. Especially when you're not used to this weather. Like, we've had a really open winter. It's only snowed a few times. Never really had a huge storm by any stretch. A lot of the times the temperature's well above freezing, like 10 degrees above freezing. The little power steering pump sounds like it's low on fluid. She's got a bit of a leak. I'll run it long enough to put some charge in that battery and then I'll shut it down. Whew. So last night we had the first live feed on the Ditch Pig experience. We had, I believe it was 8 people stop in. I chatted briefly with one of the subscribers. Give a shout out to him, Hippie Miller. Thanks for stopping by to chat. He's down in Tennessee and stopped into the live feed to say hi. And I'll end up doing more of those in the future, and you know, find something that's a little bit more interesting to do other than look out the window or whatever. But that was all that was really going on, just wood fires and a storm outside, so that's as good as it got. Irregardless, it was good to chat with one of the subscribers. Maybe next time we'll get a few more on, answer some questions, get out in the woods or something with the truck, and woo! My lips are starting to freeze. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna let this warm up for a little while longer, get a heat cycle in it, charge the battery up a bit. Just a quick video to show that here we are. It's like 1 p.m. here in Nova Scotia, and the storm's still going on. It's still cold. It's supposed to break as the day goes on. It's supposed to warm up, and sometime tomorrow it's going to end up being 2 degrees above zero, above freezing, I guess I should say. That's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.